I'm Eric Whitley.
I'm Cindy Whitley.
And I'm Aiden Whitley.
And this is Willow Whitley. And we're Whitleys in the Wild. Join us as we journey across North America in our RV Trixie with our classic Jeep Betty in tow. Explore with us as we take you on an unforgettable adventure. As the journey continues, we make our way to eastern Kentucky. An awesome place to camp is the Falls Campground in Louisa. It was great to be able to cool off in refreshing Blaine Creek. And we had to take the opportunity to visit a place that's famous for letting me and Eric do one of our favorite things. Saying adios to the pavement. We've arrived.
Rush Offroad.
First things first, it's time to air down and fuel up. This was a beautiful spot, and we had hours of fun riding the trails. park has some easy trails, some that are medium in difficulty, and some that are extremely hard and ridden by professional off-roaders. Off-roading is definitely one of my favorite ways to bond with Eric. We've had lots of adventures over the years. This park was cool, but we definitely encountered some challenging spots due to some extremely muddy conditions. Well, what can we say? One rollover in 12 years? That ain't bad. And with some teamwork, we got Betty upright, and we were on our way. It's gonna drop a little, but it's okay. Well, that's another adventure for one day. Let's head back to camp. We made it back, muddy Jeep and all, but back at camp, we spent the next day relaxing. A little fishing for Eric. I just enjoyed the energy of the waterfalls. And this was a great swimming spot for Aiden. He loved it. And there were these ruins of an old mill to explore. And Sweet Willow was happy to nap in the Kentucky bluegrass. See you next time as we head west.